For nearly 90 years, Muslims looked toward Jerusalem with heartbreak. The Crusaders controlled Al-Aqsa. The city that Hazrat Umar had once entered peacefully was now in enemy hands. Across the Muslim world, people prayed for the day Jerusalem would return, but with every passing year, that dream seemed further away. Muslim lands were divided, rulers fought one another, and the holy city remained lost. Then Allah raised a man who would change everything, a man who would defeat the Crusaders and bring back Jerusalem. But what if I told you the man who would one day liberate Jerusalem was never supposed to exist, and that his story began with a single marriage proposal? This is the birth story of Salahuddin Ayyubi. Decades before Salahuddin became the hero of the Muslim world, his father, Najmuddin Ayyub, was searching for a wife. But unlike many men of his time, Najmuddin kept rejecting proposal after proposal. Rich families came, noble families came, yet he refused them all. People began talking. Some said he was arrogant. Others claimed he had committed adultery and was impure. But Najmuddin never explained himself. Then one day, while visiting a mosque, he heard about a young woman doing exactly the same thing. She too had rejected proposal after proposal. Soon the rumors started. Some claimed she only rejected men so she could inherit her father's wealth. Others whispered that she was not fertile. Some even spread that she too had committed adultery and was rejecting proposals to hide her past. But something about her caught Najmuddin's attention. The accusations being made against her were strangely similar to the accusations being made against him. So Najmuddin arranged to meet her. People were shocked. Why would a respected Muslim leader want to meet a woman surrounded by so many rumors? But what was about to happen seemed ordinary at the time. Yet it would eventually change the history of Jerusalem itself. Finally, after several days, Najmuddin met her. They spoke only briefly, but before the conversation could continue, the young woman became shy and hurried back to her home. The rumors exploded. People wondered what had happened. Did Najmuddin say something wrong? Had the meeting failed? Questions spread across the town. But then Najmuddin stepped forward and made an announcement that stunned everyone. He declared that he intended to marry her. Nobody understood their decision. Then the day of the nikkah arrived, and the secret they had kept for so long was finally revealed. While others chased the Dunya, they chose the akhirah. Not wealth, not beauty, not status. They both wanted a spouse who would help them reach Jannah, and from whom Allah would bless them with a son who would serve Islam, unite the Muslim Ummah, and help bring back Al-Aqsa. That was it. From that blessed marriage, a child was born, Yusuf ibn Ayyub. The world would later know him by another name, Salahuddin Ayyubi. But wait, as Salahuddin was growing up in the West, another problem was rising in the East, a community whom scholars considered to be Ya'juj and Ma'juj, and whose leader was called Genghis Khan. And that story is on your screen right now.